Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I really hope you all are doing great. And today's recipe is gonna be all on your demand, and that is fish biryani. And now, as I have uploaded my biryani recipe, which is in Mangalorean style but then with Salwa's touch, and this fish biryani is also gonna be something similar, but then of course the method and the ingredients would be a little different for fish biryani. And I really want you guys to try this biryani because I'm sure you all will love it. May it be Ramadan, may it be Eid, may it be any occasion, you all will love this biryani, that's for sure. To try this biryani. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. And ingredients are given at the description box below, as said always, and do not forget to check the extra notes from there. And here are the ingredients what we need to grind the biryani masala. And here we start with the green chilies. I have taken 14 green chilies as I like the fish biryani to be spicy, and these green chilies are very spicy ones. And these are the garlic pots. I have taken around 10 garlic pots, and this is around 1.5 inch of ginger paste, the fresh one. And here I have the main ingredient, and that is coriander leaves, which is 1 cup, and half onion, medium sized. These are a handful of cashews, which is around half cup, and this is 1 teaspoon of peppercorns or kali mirch, half teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, and this is 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is around 4 cloves, and this is cardamom 3 pieces, and this is around 1 inch of cinnamon stick. And here we move to the next step, and that is to grind the biryani masala to a very fine paste with minimal use of water. Here I had taken 1/4 cup, but then I did not use all of them. And here let's move to the next ingredients, and that is to marinate the fish. Here I have taken around 1 kg of boneless, this is fish fillet of Hammour fish or the group of fish. And here this is around 2 teaspoonful of the biryani masala, which is ground, and this is salt as per your taste. And here I have thick yogurt, or you can use hung curd if your yogurt is not very thick. And then here I have taken caramelized onions around 1 tablespoon, and then here I have mint leaves 1 teaspoon very finely chopped, and coriander leaves 1 teaspoon and half of lime. And here taking to the next step, that is marinating the fish for 15 minutes with lime juice and some salt. Mix it well and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this first marinade would not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. And here it was already 15 minutes that my fish was marinated. And here I'm taking the thick yogurt. Make sure your yogurt is thick. Do not use the watery one. You can use even hung curd. And there is also, I believe that's a myth, because using yogurt with fish, many people don't do that. But then if you don't believe in adding a yogurt to the fish, please do skip it, as lime would be sufficient. But then I would highly recommend adding thick yogurt. Here you had seen I added all the ingredients under the marination to this, and then leave this for around 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator. And here are the ingredients what we would need to make the gravy. I've taken large 4 onions sliced, 2 green chili slits, 2 large tomatoes sliced again. This is the biryani masala what we ground, and this is 1 cup of mint leaves chopped, fresh ones, and this is 1/4 cup of ghee. And this is around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, as we will be using them both. And salt will be very little, as the fish already has salt in it. And this was my fish, which was marinated for around 4 hours. More than 4 hours it was. And here you can see the fish is still thick and dry. There's no trace of water here, as my fish was really dry when I marinated them. So if yours have any water left, just please discard it and fry these fish, shallow frying them for just 1 minute on each side. Do not over fry them, as we have to cook the fish again in the gravy. And this process will make sure that the fish doesn't break when we add it to the gravy. And here is the delicious fish fry already ready. You can have them from here. They taste so good. And now we are taking one by one these. I've not taken it on a kitchen towel, or the tissue, because I thought it would stick. And here on a large wok in which you are making the biryani, please add your ghee, desi ghee and oil to this. You can also use ghee fully, but according to me, I have taken half ghee and half oil. And added the green chilies first and the sliced onions on a medium flame. I'm frying them. And here, after exact 4 to 5 minutes, as the onions turn translucent, you can add the mint leaves chop. And here it gives a very nice flavor. And here within 8 to 10 minutes, once your onions start to get that golden color from sides, you can add the tomatoes to this. Again, fry for more 2 to 3 minutes, and your tomatoes are done. And then add the biryani masala. And here on the right hand side, my rice was getting ready for the layering. And here you can see the ghee has left its sides and the masala is fully, the flavor are all over the kitchen now. And once the masala is fried well, please do not add any water to this. Add the fish pieces which is fried, and just take care. Mine was a very big hammour, so the fish pieces are not that delicate as other fishes. So if you're using kingfish or anything, just make sure you do not break the fish pieces. And then very delicate these are, as a fish are delicate, darling, when you add it to the gravy. And here I've just closed the lid so that flavor the gravy can get it. This did not take more than 2 to 3 minutes, because you really don't have to overcook the fish. And that was done. And let's move to the next step, and that is rice. Making of rice is already given in my chicken biryani, which I'll be giving the link in the description box below. Please do follow the instructions to make the perfect biryani rice. And here you can see I have taken 1 kg of rice, as my fish was 1 kg. Here you can see they are grainy, not at all sticking. The rice which I use is Sela Basmati India Gate. You can check it again, the link in the description box. Here I have around half cup of ghee, and this is around 4 tablespoons of milk with half a teaspoon of saffron strands. And these are around caramelized onions, which we would be needing according to your taste. I have taken 1 cup, and these are the mint leaves half cup and coriander leaves half cup. And this is 1/4 cup of yellow color rice and the red color rice, which is made with color and little bit drops of the saffron milk. And here our gravy was ready. And in this same wok in which you made the gravy, I'm just layering the 1/4, around less than half of rice. And then I'm used to adding all the colorful rice and a tablespoon of ghee and coriander leaves to every layer I do. There are 3 layers, and all 3 layers I add all these ingredients. And just to get that flavor, I had just put some 4 to 5 pieces of fish pieces at the gravy, and along with the gravy at the bottom layer, and the second layer only will be the gravy. There will be no fish to this, because fish biryani you will have to assemble all the fish pieces at the top of the biryani, just with little bit covered with little bit of rice, because fish pieces, if you layer it in between, they'll definitely break. They're very risky. And then you can, when you get the spoon into your biryani, you'll see everything. The fish pieces will break. So this is the tip: layer it on the top. And here very little, around 2 spoons of rice you can reserve to just cover that, to get that nice biryani look on the top, because the gravy and the fish wouldn't look nice on the top, right? And here I have the colorful rice, again the saffron milk, and enough of ghee to get that nice desi flavor on your biryani. 2 tablespoons of ghee again on the top. And caramelized onions, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and everything what you had in the ingredients at the layering section. Here you need to keep this for around 40 to 45 minutes, or till you can see the steam coming out in between the lid, on a very low flame as much as possible. Or even you can keep the pan underneath that, so that the rice doesn't stick the bottom. And here I serve delicious and flavorful fish biryani on the plate, and ours is ready. And tell me, when are you making yours? Do make this on any occasion, or even without an occasion, because this biryani serving itself will make it a beautiful day for you all. And do let me know in the comments below if you really love this recipe or not. You can use any fish of your choice and make this biryani. And do hit a like if you have really liked the recipe. And for coming to our extra points, in case you're not gonna use the yogurt in the recipe, please do add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala instead of 2 teaspoons while marinating the fish. Do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd love to share it on my feed. Please do not forget to tag me there on Salva's Delicious Kitchen. I hope you all have subscribed to the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye-bye.